Welcome back. TLS certificates ensure that connection between you and your server and between your mail server and other mail server are secure. Head over TLS certificate server of control panel. Click provision. Review the Let's Encrypt terms and conditions. Then click agree and try again. And wait for certificate to be ready. Now click finish. Now you have installed certificate. Web server may get confused. Click OK. And this time I will type https box.domainname/admin. Now enter your mail address and the password and sign in. Now you might see everything green. Now if you don't, like in my case, this one is red. This one is red. Just follow the next two lectures and you will able to make these two settings green. See you in the next lecture.